my name is Amita Sarambalkar. I work as a senior manager with Kokuyo Camlin Ltd. Last 2 days, my organization and its employees is undergoing a very detailed workshop on project management in association with ProThoughts. I would want to share my journey, how it has been right from the day we decided to do a workshop on project management to till today. I was looking at multiple learning partners when it came to project management, and to my surprise, there were few of my industry colleagues who referred me to ProThoughts. Made me curious as to there are around 3 to 4 people who referred me the same name. So obviously there is some value that this organization is going to bring. Happened to connect with Siddhant from ProThoughts, initiated my discussions, and trust me, they ran me through every detail, every query that I had about the workshop, how it will be conducted. Trainer, who's Saurabh Parekh, actually came down to our facility to understand the nuts and bolts of the organization. He not only spoke to the leadership to understand the expectations from the workshop, but he was curious to even speak to few of the participants to understand the on-ground challenges that they face, so that he could include all of those and design a workshop around that. What I really liked about them was they were keen to explore and understand what the organization really wants. Instead of just putting up a workshop, they customized basis of what we wanted. Post that, now last 2 days have been complete adventure for the 25 people who are in the workshop. I have not seen a dull moment in the 2-day workshop that has been there. My team has been continuously on the toes, doing certain activities, interacting with Saurabh, trying to find answers to the queries that they have. So it's been complete adventure for past 2 days. Beyond the 2-day workshop, Saurabh has even gone ahead and had interaction with my leadership, because post you complete the training, it is very important how well you implement what you learned. Saurabh took a step ahead, interacted with my leadership as to help them understand how they need to hereafter track the progress and implementation of what they've learned in the last 2 days. He's been kind enough and very proactive when it comes to help. He actually informed my leaders that he is pretty open to have those interactions, be part of those interactions even after a month, to understand how they have implemented these learnings. Very few partners, learning partners, would really come forward and extend that help to understand the implementation. So I would really thank ProThoughts for doing this for us and helping us experience the new paradigm to the learning and development and the workshop that Saurabh has taken. An excellent trainer Saurabh has been. He's kept my team on toes completely. They have been mind-storming, what he commonly calls. We've been mind-storming a lot. I think so, a great experience with the overall ProThoughts team from the day I initiated my discussion till today. Thanks a lot.